Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need CapCut application. If you have CapCut application, click on the link given in the description below. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your one photo. After adding your photo, click on Preview. Now check your video. Now click on Export and then click on Export without watermark. Now your video is ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.